Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So y multiplied by this one and s multiplied by this one. So we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by dx. Next, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. They are degree number 3. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v, and that is about the product rule of derivative. And now we need to simplify dx over dx. So I need to change y into this one. So divide over dx, that is about this one. So we need to simplify x to the power of 3 for the both sides. So we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. So we have like this. So I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. Now we do common denominator. So v multiplied by this one. So we have like this. Now we have the negative sign here, so we put this one to change the sign in here, similar for the second one. So this one minus number 3v to the power of 3, we have negative number 1. So this one with this one and this one and this one, they cancel each other. So we just have like this. So I will put this one go to the left, dx and x go to the right. And that should be like this. Now, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one divided by v to the power of 3. This one divided by this one, number 1 divided by v to the power of 3. So we have like this. So this one, that is about v to the power of negative number 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have number 3 ln of the absolute value of v. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over v. And the next one, that is about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. This one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s. So we have negative number 2, negative number 2 about v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.